Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share your Waze location on WhatsApp. This is super useful when you want to let someone know exactly where you are in real time, whether you're meeting up with friends or need to share your current position quickly. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure you have the Waze app open on your phone. On the bottom left of your screen, you'll see a circle icon. Go ahead and tap on this icon to recenter the map to your current location. This ensures that Waze is displaying exactly where you are right now, rather than showing any previously viewed area on the map. It's an important first step because you want to make sure you're sharing your accurate current position. Once the map recenters, you'll notice an arrow icon that represents your actual location on the map. Tap directly on this arrow. This action will bring up a menu with various options related to your current position. Tapping your location arrow is how you access Waze's sharing features and other location-based actions. After tapping the arrow, a menu will appear with several options. Look for and tap on the option that says Send Location. This feature is specifically designed for sharing your whereabouts with others, and it's what enables you to quickly communicate where you are without having to type out an address or give verbal directions. Next, you'll see a list of apps and platforms where you can share your location. From this list, tap on WhatsApp. This will automatically prepare your location information in a format that's ready to send through WhatsApp, making the sharing process seamless between the two apps. Now WhatsApp will open, showing you your contacts and groups. Take a moment to select the specific contact or group where you want to share your location. You might be sharing it with a friend you're meeting, a family member who's picking you up, or a group chat for an event. Simply tap on the contact or group name you want to send your location to. After selecting your recipient, you'll see a right arrow button, usually located on the bottom right of your screen. Click this arrow to send your location. Your Waze location will now be shared through WhatsApp, allowing the recipient to see exactly where you are and even get directions to you if needed. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Waze location on WhatsApp, making it easy for others to find you or know your current position. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.